your account, just click on this particular blue color button. Now here you need to set up your password. If you remember, in the first step where when we went to sap.com, it asked only the email address. It didn't ask the password. Okay, so password you need to set here. So I'm giving the password. And again, confirm password. That's all. So click it and click on submit. Now setting up the password is over, and we'll see next what happens. Yeah, so that's it guys. Now all the steps are over. So you can see, thank you, your account is active. You can access all the resources of sap.com. Okay, so this is step number 1. So going to sap.com and entering your email ID, then checking your email ID, setting up the password. So this is step number 1. Now step number 2, so you need to go to another site, and that is https://account.hanatrial.ondemand.com. So let me copy this. So you need to go to this hanatrial.ondemand.com. Now it will ask you the username and password. Username is nothing but your email ID. Okay, so let me give the email ID as B72P1, right? So B72P1@gmail.com. So I'll just open this in the incognito window because I normally have another Business Application Studio. Yeah, so this one trainings B72P1@gmail.com. So your email ID becomes your login user. Click enter, and it will ask you the password. Okay, so since we already opened here, so here we already set up the password in the other tab, so it didn't ask. But anyway, now it's time to enter the OTP. So Ruxana, you need to give the OTP, so you can tell directly in the call as well, or message me in the WhatsApp. Yep. 02980. So whatever the mobile number that you have already given, to that mobile number you will get the OTP. Now the point is, you can use only one time. So you can use this mobile number only one time. You cannot use it for the second time. Okay. So this is a problem for every batch. I need to ask some of the other person to give the mobile number. Okay. Now click on the continue. So click this terms and conditions and click on accept. So that's all. Now you can see the business technology platform cockpit is loading. So here to finalize the creation of the entire trial account, so here you need to select in which region so you want this trial account to be created. Okay. So the recommendation is to select this US East. Okay, this is AWS, stands for Amazon Web Services. So this is a cloud platform in this US East region. Okay, so select it and click on create account. So just wait for less than a minute so that all its tasks like creating the region, global account, sub account, org space, so everything it gets created. So now you can see our personal trial account has been created. Click on continue. Now you need to click this blue color button, go to your trial account. So we can enter into our trial account. Now this particular page is called as SAP Business Technology Platform Cockpit. So why it is called cockpit? So cockpit is an area where various options are available. So normally cockpit is a word used in aeroplanes, right? So the front actually these pilots whenever they are driving aeroplane, so whatever the area, whatever the panel they use, so that entire thing is called cockpit. So multiple options available at same place. So the same word he has used. So here from this particular page you can go to any if you want to go to any system or tool or any other service, so you can navigate. So that's the reason this entire area is called SAP BTP Cockpit. Alright, the next thing we need to do is click on this particular trial, so that is created for us. So sub account, trial, and at the left hand side, so you can see something called services, and in the services you need to go to the instances and subscriptions option. So click on this instances and subscriptions, and automatically this particular SAP Business Application Studio, it was given as a free subscription for all those people who create an account in SAP BTP trial. So we created an account, so this Business Application Studio is free for us. Okay, right. Now to open this Business Application Studio, just click on this link. Now still there is one more step, guys. Click on accept. Sometimes it comes like this, just keep on trying. Alright, so now this is the last step in our Business Application Studio setup, and that is Dev Space Manager. So here for the Business Application Studio, we need to create something called Dev Space, means development space. So what do you mean by this development space? SAP Business Application Studio can be used, so even though that is a single tool, so the same tool can be used for various kinds of development. So all the possible developments are listed out here. So do you want to use this Business Application Studio for Fiori development or cloud application development or HANA native application or mobile application or basic? So what is the purpose of using this Business Application Studio? So you want to develop Fiori applications, and mostly by default all the clients will use it. That's the reason the SAP Fiori category is already selected. Okay, so basing on this particular selection, few tools will be installed into your Business Application Studio automatically. You can see at the right hand side, if I have this SAP Fiori, so these tools are available automatically inside your Business Application Studio. For example, if I change from this one to this one, full stack application, then you can see this is the tools have changed. So similarly, if I select this, those tools are slightly changing, right? So let us select SAP Fiori and give the development space name also as Fiori. Okay, so development space is nothing but you are instructing to the Business Application Studio that I am going to use the Business Application Studio for Fiori development. So if you mention that you want to use this for the Fiori development, automatically it installs the necessary tools or anything that are required for the Fiori development and keep your Business Application Studio ready. But if you say that I'm using the Business Application Studio for the full stack cloud application, then it installs the necessary other tools within this Business Application Studio. Okay, so that is basically the purpose. So I have selected SAP Fiori and I have given the development space name also as SAP Fiori, and then I can click on create development space. So you might have heard something called cloud application programming model, right? So that is complete cloud development. Okay, so those people who want to practice the complete cloud development, normally they come to this area and they select the SAP full stack cloud application. So this option they will use. So in real time, either you go with this one or you will go with this one. If you are see the on-premise server, so you always go with this one. If you do not have any on-premise, you want to develop a complete cloud solution, then you will go with this full stack cloud application. Okay, all right. So select SAP Fiori and click on our development space. Now the development space Fiori is under starting. So once it comes to the running, so you can open the Business Application Studio in SAP Fiori development mode. For the first time, it may take a little longer than usual, but after that, so whenever you are opening this particular Business Application Studio, so it get into the running mode very quickly. Yeah, so now it has came into the running mode. So that means this particular development space, nothing but a virtual machine you can assume. So now this is ready, so we can go and work on our Business Application Studio. Yeah, so this is your SAP Business Application Studio. You can create a project by using this option, new project from template, so which we are going to do in tomorrow's class. So you can also clone it from Git, or if you have some project already in your local machine, you can import it like this. So that's the welcome page of Business Application Studio. Now, normally for practice during our day-to-day sessions, you need to open the Business Application Studio every day. So what I would recommend is, you don't need to come through all this process again. This is only one-time process. And even this entire process is done by our SAP BAS team in the real-time projects. What they do is they give you this URL. Okay, developer just save this particular URL. So even now I am working in a project. So I save this URL, I bookmark this URL saying like my BAS. BAS means Business Application Studio. Okay. So bookmark this URL, and whenever you want to open the Business Application Studio, just hit this particular URL in a window. Just hit it. So once you hit it, it comes to that Fiori development space. So click on the run button to run it. That's all. Okay. So I hope you understand what I exactly said. So use this URL, bookmark it, and then whenever you paste it in a new window, now it is already running, so this will start the Business Application Studio directly. But what happens is after some time, when you are not using the Business Application Studio, so that particular Fiori development space automatically from running mode, it becomes again normal. Okay. So again, you need to click that starting button. So there is a play button like this in the development space. So you need to click this particular, not this button, but this kind of same button available in that particular dev space page. Okay, so click that button and automatically it comes to the running mode. And once it comes to the running mode, you can open Business Application Studio. You will understand automatically once you get this URL. Okay, so bookmark this URL with your name like my BAS or something. That's all for today. So we have seen setting up of development environment in today's class. There are two parts. One is the backend installation and second one is the front-end setup. I'm not calling front-end as an installation because we have not installed anything in the front-end. In the backend, just install SAP GUI, and so you can also do it from Google. So otherwise I will give you. And in the front-end, just set up this Business Application Studio, so which is coming as a free subscription if you create an account in SAP Business Technology Platform Trial. Okay,